How to suspend insulin on Omnipod 5 temporarily stop delivery. How to suspend insulin on Omnipod 5. To temporarily stop insulin delivery on the Omnipod 5, you need to use the pause insulin feature. This can only be done in manual mode. Tap the menu button on the home screen. Select pause insulin from the menu. Use the scroll wheel or input field to choose how long you want to pause insulin delivery, up to a maximum of 2 hours. Tap pause to confirm your selection. Tap yes to confirm the insulin pause. Important notes: insulin delivery does not restart automatically at the end of the pause. You will receive an alert reminding you to manually restart insulin delivery. To resume insulin delivery, tap the menu button again and select Start Insulin. Automated mode. If you are in automated mode, you must first switch to manual mode to manually pause insulin delivery. Action. Steps. Notes. Pause insulin delivery. Menu pause insulin set duration max 2 hours. Must be in manual mode pause yes to. Confirm. Resume insulin. Menu start insulin. Does not auto-resume manual. Delivery. Automated mode. Switch to manual mode first, then follow pause steps. Restart required. Cannot manually pause in automated mode.